Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I go with the buyers right now. So many people might sell here, but I go with the buyers because we have a third touch level here, and as you can see, it's not closing on the level, and this is pretty strong uptrend, minor uptrend, and also this is not an exhaustion candle. Okay, that's why I believe the buyers should keep going. If you look at the past, we had this little QM, which was very beautiful. It touched and dropped, and now the market touched somewhere down here. It's trying to go up. I took this buy trade, and okay, that was a winning trade. I'm gonna go with the sellers for 2 trades now, because now it's a breakout trade. Okay, we're done with the trend. Now we need to have a breakout trade, and after that breakout trade, we're gonna have this QM down here. Okay. Let me just draw this. I'm looking for engulf. I didn't see engulf, so this QM is not valid anymore because there wasn't engulf, right? If you look at this one, we see engulf in the previous QM. In the 1 minute, you see this QM, and then 3 minutes it has engulf. So that's a confirmation for us. But in this one, this old QM here, there's no engulf. So I'm not just going to take that because we want to take best possible trades. All right, this trade's about to close. Beautiful trade. I'm already making my 3K, right? This is how trading is. You just like, unfortunately, I wasn't recording before looking for the setups. Usually when I'm starting a video, like I start looking for setups about, I don't know, 15 minutes before, clicking on the start button. So people might think that, oh, I just start the video and take the first trade. No, I look for the trade before starting the record the screen. Okay. All right, we got this QM. Let's just check the confirmation. We don't see a nice engulf. You see this? You shouldn't consider this as an engulf because if you look, the previous candle is higher compared to this one. We want something like this, right? Even the shadow. For example, like this. This is a proper engulf. This is a proper engulf, right? This is not a proper engulf. Look at the previous shadow. It's above. But still, it can work, but you need to calculate your risk. Okay, you see how like crazy it drops because the engulf is not solid. And now it's closing on this respected area. I will take it very, very small here because just because it's closing in the support area, it's previously also respected. That's why I thought it might be a good trade. Previously also we had this little QM, which market has reacted from this. Right, this was a good shape QM. I will check the confirmation for it. Yeah, we got the engulf for this one. It's been pretty solid. It's pretty solid. Okay, this one. But yeah, this QM right here doesn't have engulf, so I don't like it. So we took this trade because it's closing on the support area. This is sign of exhaustion. Let me see if we're gonna win this. We took this very small. Because there's no more than this. I mean, it's simply a support and resistance trade. Oh my god, it was a losing trade, I guess. Yeah, it's fine. We took it small, okay? We take the trades that we're not sure in a very small amount. All right. Look at this. This is a ranging market to the downside. See that? Price moving like this, but in a ranging manner. And if you look at the past, we got 3, 2, 1, 3, again 3, 1, 1. It's either 3 or 2 candles as a consecutive, same color candle. So we can have another green one after this one, but we should like look for something to validate our trade, right? If I'm gonna go with the sellers, it would be a breakout for this overlapping level. It's the only reason. I have to look and see. All right, I don't see a gap up. I normally want to take this as a sell. So since this is a rejection market, I would like to wait for a margin of safety right here. and also smaller compared to I mean this one also smaller, because I can have another green candle. But for example, after this breakout, I can take a good trade because it's a breakout trade. Based on the past of the market, we don't see more than 3 candles in the same color, so we're gonna be good to go. But for this one, since we are unsure, you take the smaller trade. We got the QM, it has engulf in it. We will check the lower time frame. I take this, oh shit. I take this right now. This is a doji break. And basically we got this supplies right here. And now the market, it can react after this doji break. Also, we have a QM here, and look at that. This is what I'm talking about. The breakout happened, now we're good to take this, but we didn't take it, right? It's also lining up with this little QM. See that? So if I was taking this trade, I would take it with 1,000 instead of 200, okay? I take 200 only on the risky trades. Let's see. Okay, it was a winning trade. See, the marginal safety can save your trade. Okay, marginal safety is so good. If you haven't watched this video, you have to watch it. It's about margin of safety. And when we are in a ranging market like this, which, you know, every single candle has shadows, we need to wait for it to move in the opposite side a little bit, like for example this one. Right? If we want to take this trade, we have to wait for this one to move up a little bit, and then we enter. And if you look at the previous candles, we can have an average shadow in our mind before taking the trade, okay? And consider that, okay, so previous candles have this much of a shadow. This one also probably going to have that. So I'm just going to wait for this one a little bit, and then I will enter. That's going to save a lot of trades for you. All right. I will look for other opportunities to see. Okay, this is a QM. I checked for the confirmation in 5 minutes. I go to lower time frame step by step. We got 2 supply areas right now. One of them right here, and another one is down here. For QM trades, I personally like to take the supplies above the initial zone, which in this case, this one would be valid for me. But it's going to react from this one as well. It might do something like this. Okay, so let's just going to see what's going to happen. I go to lower time frame to validate my entry. Yeah, refine that. And yeah, that's it. I will set an alarm here. So if the price comes up, I will be notified. Again, we have a rejection market. So many candles. I mean, they have all rejections. Oh shit, we have doji here, beautiful. So we have a support area down here. We got 2 dojis. If we have a candle like this, it's gonna be fire to take the next trade. Okay. Alright, let's see what candle we're gonna. I usually do not like going against this kind of trend, but I want to see if we get a reversal candle here. Okay, I go with the sellers. Oh shit, we got this gap down in the favor of buyers. I should have waited for margin of safety. This is my fault. If you look at the previous candles, every single candle has at least this much of a shadow, like this much. So I would. Okay, let's go up. Let's go. I take 2 more trades exactly on the margin of safety. Let's see. Now these are the safer entries. No matter what what color the candle is gonna be, I will win this trade, even if that's a green one. Okay. Beautiful. If you look at the past, the reason why the market's reacting from here, it's this rejection point. Okay, I mean decision point. Support, support. The price has been respected this area very much, and then the orders are filled. All the orders are filled at this point, and then it's gonna break that easy. Okay, break that. So this area is gonna be the market at the decision point where the market decided to break. Right. So if you look at this decision point area, I will find the supply that the market will react from it. Okay, I go to lower time frame. Okay, I don't see anything yet. Go to lower time frame. All right, this is a supply. It's also fresh. If I make this red, come on, red, and it's gonna react from it. Boom, look at that. I mean, I throw, yeah, there we go, it's fresh. You see that? It hasn't been touched, so it's fresh. It comes up and boom, look at that. That's the entry point. Sniper entry, okay? Go to 10 seconds. Let's see what we have in 10 seconds. No, we don't have anything in 10 seconds. So for this one, the entry would be on 15 seconds. All right, decision point. All right, I'm just going to stop right here. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you use the link in the description to join the Telegram channel. And be careful about the scammers and only use the link. Thank you for watching, everybody. Peace out.